Hey guys, Ty with Yardkicks air trainers. We're gonna turn them into baseball cleats. Looking for a nice flat sole to begin with. Already done this one. You can see how it turns out, but you're basically putting addable baseball, softball traction on a pair of sneakers. So you'll get this kit, 20 spikes inside. I've already used some of them. You get a hand tool for screwing them in. Marker, Sharpie for mapping out the traction on the soles. So we're gonna dot where we're gonna put the spikes. A little drill bit, which I highly recommend if you have a power drill. I've already got one in here. Throw that bit in and just reel. Makes it real easy after you've set everything up. So key component is this shoe goo. So we're gonna put a little dab of shoe goo on each thread before you screw them in. And we're gonna map out where they're gonna be on the sole. So I put them upside down. Once you get them all there, you're gonna use the Sharpie upside down to go put a little dot in those spots. Oop, lost that guy. All right, so we've dotted out the traction using the Sharpie. I know where these things are gonna go. And I'm gonna put a little bit of shoe goo on each spike. I'll show you just a tiny little dab like that on the cleat. I'll do this first one by hand. So, let's see. I'm gonna kind of pinch down with my other hand actually to get it started. And then once you kind of feel that purchase, 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 5, 6 turns, and you want that to be nice and flush so you can see nice and flush with the rubber, and then let that shoe goo dry out overnight. I've already put shoe goo on a bunch of these spikes, so I'll show you how easy it is with a drill. Nice and flush. All right, I just got the second shoe done. I went for 9 in each of these. Usually I go 8, but you can see just the way we had some little peaks and valleys to avoid here. So we got them on flat stuff, shoe gooed in, nice and flush. You got yourself some 1-of-1 customs air trainers. Pretty rad.